Imagine a world where machines can learn, solve problems, and even understand language. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, or AI. AI is a branch of computer science focused on building systems that mimic human intelligence by analyzing massive amounts of data to spot patterns and make decisions. You might not realize it, but AI is already powering your daily life. Every time you use a search engine, ask Siri or Alexa a question, get a movie recommendation on Netflix, or see a self-driving car, AI is working behind the scenes. How does it all work? It starts with learning. Machines improve their performance by processing data, without being explicitly programmed for every task. They can reason, analyze situations, and make decisions on their own. Through perception, AI systems can recognize objects, understand speech, and interpret their surroundings. At the heart of AI is machine learning, where algorithms learn from data to make predictions. Deep learning takes this further, using multi-layered neural networks to handle complex tasks like image and speech recognition. Let's look at some real-world applications. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant help you manage your day. Recommendation systems on Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon suggest content tailored just for you. Autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate safely. Generative tools create art and language, while advanced search engines help you find information faster than ever. But there are some common misconceptions. AI isn't just about futuristic robots. It's already woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, often in ways you don't even notice.